Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best single-din flip-out car stereos of 2025? Are my full reviews of the top 5 best single-din flip-out car stereos of 2025? Please like this video and subscribe this channel for a future update. Thank you. Number 1. The SJoyBring Upgrade Wireless Double-Din Car Stereo is a seriously impressive piece of kit for price, and in my testing, it exceeded expectations in almost every category. The 7-inch HD touchscreen is bright, responsive, and easy to navigate, even in direct sunlight. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto worked seamlessly. Connection was fast, stable, and spare me the cable clutter. Bluetooth pairing was equally quick, with solid call clarity and smooth music streaming. Sound-wise, the 60W x4 high-power output paired with dual subwoofer ports really delivers. The bass is deep yet controlled, and with the 4-channel RCA outputs, this unit integrates beautifully with aftermarket amps and speakers. Audio customization options are plentiful, making it easy to fine-tune your setup. Installation was straightforward thanks to the intuitive wiring and included mounting accessories. I also appreciated the fast boot time. No more waiting around for the system to start. The UI feels modern, menus are well organized, and touch sensitivity is spot on. If I had to nitpick, the default EQ presets could use a bit more balance, but manual tuning fixes that instantly. Overall, SJoyBring nailed the essentials. Clean design, excellent wireless integration, strong audio performance, and great value. For anyone looking to modernize their dashboard without breaking the bank, this is a feature pack winner. Number 2. The QLED screen upgrade 7-inch double-din car stereo, and honestly, it's a game changer for in-car entertainment and functionality. The QLED display is the star of the show, crisp, vibrant, and highly visible even in bright sunlight. It feels like a true premium upgrade over standard LCD units, making maps, media, and menus pop with clarity. Setup was straightforward, and the inclusion of both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means no more fumbling with cables. Connections are fast and stable, and switching between music calls and navigation feels seamless. The Bluetooth 5.3 is another plus. Calls are clear, music streams without hiccups, and pairing happens in seconds. The built-in dash cam is a thoughtful touch. The footage quality is sharp enough to capture details like license plates, and having it integrated means fewer messy wires and gadgets on the dash. On the audio side, the 240W 4.2-channel output delivers surprisingly full, powerful sound. Even stock car speakers sound better with this unit, driving them. Adjusting EQ settings is intuitive, letting you really dial in your preferred sound profile. Navigation to the interface is smooth, with responsive touch controls and a clean, modern UI. The overall build feels solid and premium, not like a flimsy budget stereo. In my video, I highlight not just the performance, but also the everyday convenience this unit adds, from voice commands on the road to having high-quality video evidence in case of incidents. For anyone looking to modernize their driving experience with a single, all-in-one upgrade, this stereo is absolutely worth considering. If you value display quality, clean wireless integration, and a serious audio boost, the QLED 7-inch double-din hits the sweet spot between tech, safety, and entertainment. Number 3. The PLZ single-din car stereo is a game-changer for modern driving. The massive 10.1-inch touchscreen is crisp, responsive, and makes navigating Apple CarPlay or Android Auto a breeze. Whether you're streaming music, following GPS directions, or taking hands-free calls. Wireless connectivity is smooth, with Bluetooth 5.3 ensuring stable audio and quick pairing. The 4.2-channel 240W output delivers clear, punchy sound, and the interface feels intuitive, even for first-time users. Installation is straightforward for a single DIN setup, and the adjustable screen angle is a thoughtful touch for different dashboards. From sleek design to excellent functionality, the stereo transforms any car into a smart infotainment hub. If you want a blend of premium features, strong performance, and great value, the PLZ 10.1-inch car stereo deserves a spot at the top of your list. Number 4. The 6.9-inch wireless CarPlay single-din car stereo, making it clear why this is a game changer for car audio enthusiasts. The crisp HD IPS touchscreen pops on camera, and your demonstration of the wireless CarPlay setup is smooth and easy to follow. I appreciated the clear walkthrough of Bluetooth 5.0 pairing, mirror link, FM tuning, and EQ customization. You made even the techier features feel approachable. Highlighting the multiple ports, USB, Type-C mic, and the waterproof build was a great touch for real-world usability. The video pacing kept things engaging, and the sound test segment gave a true sense of its audio quality. Your honest remarks about responsiveness and viewing angles made it feel trustworthy. Overall, this was an informative, well-shot review that will help viewers decide confidently if the stereo is right for them. Number 5. The Podofo double-din car stereo radio with a 7-inch touchscreen, and I have to say, this unit packs a serious punch for the price. The touchscreen is responsive, bright, and easy to navigate, making switching between music, radio, and settings a breeze. Bluetooth pairing was quick and stable, allowing me to enjoy hands-free calls and wireless music streaming without any dropouts. The mirror link feature is a real game changer for road trips. Being able to display my phone's navigation apps right on the stereo is both convenient and safer than constantly glancing down at my device. The sound quality is clear and customizable with built-in EQ settings, and playback from USB and SD card work flawlessly. The included backup camera is surprisingly sharp, with a wide viewing angle that makes reversing much less stressful. Installation took some patience, but all the necessary cables and instructions were provided. The wireless steering wheel control also adds that OEM-like convenience, letting me adjust volume and tracks without taking my hands off the wheel. Overall, the Podofo double-din delivers an impressive feature set. Bluetooth hands-free, mirror link, FM radio, multiple media inputs, and a backup camera, all in a sleek, modern package. It's a great upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience without breaking the bank.